Hello kids, welcome to my channel Shino Kids. Kids, in this video we are going to practice reading comprehension. In this you will be given a small passage and based on that passage there will be questions and you have to answer them. Are you ready kids? Let's start. Passage 1. Cow. Now let's read the passage. This is a cow. It is white. It gives us milk. Again, this is a cow. It is white. It gives us milk. Now you read this passage. Now I will ask some questions and you answer them. Question number 1. Which animal are we talking about? Option 1 cow, option 2 dog, option 3 pig. Yes, we are talking about cow. So the answer is option 1 cow. Question number 2. What is the color of cow? Option 1 black, option 2 brown, option 3 white. Correct answer is option 3 white. Cow is white in the color. Question number 3. What does cow give us? Option 1 wool, option 2 milk, option 3 eggs. The correct answer is option 2 milk. Cow gives us milk. Now let's read another passage, rainbow. It is a rainbow. It has 7 colors. It appears in the sky. Let's read again. It is a rainbow. It has 7 colors. It appears in the sky. Kids, now you read this passage. Kids, now try to answer the following questions. Question number 1. How many colors does a rainbow have? Option 1 5, option 2 7, option 3 9. The correct answer is option 2 7. Rainbow has 7 colors. Question number 2. Where does rainbow appears? Option 1 in the water, option 2 on the ground, option 3 in the sky. The correct answer is option 3 in the sky. Rainbow appears in the sky. Passage number 3. Pat the cat. Now let's read the passage. Pat is a cat. She is very fluffy. She likes to eat rats. Let's read the passage once again. Pat is a cat. She is very fluffy. She likes to eat rats. Kids, now you read the passage. Kids, now try to answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is the name of cat? Option 1, Matt. Option 2, Pat. Option 3, Nat. The correct answer is option 2, Pat. Name of the cat is Pat. Question number 2. Pat is very dash. Option 1, fluffy. Option 2, hard. Option 3, soft. The correct answer is option 1, fluffy. Pat is very fluffy. Question number 3. What does Pat likes to eat? Option 1, bread. Option 2, butter. Option 3, rats. Correct answer is option 3, rats. Pat likes to eat rats. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.